You keep saying you'll start tomorrow, but your body is already paying the price today. Every morning you wake up tired, heavy, slower than you used to be. You avoid mirrors, you avoid photos, you avoid the version of yourself you know you have become. Because deep down, you remember who you were supposed to be. And the scary part is not the weight, it's what the weight represents. The excuses, the broken promises, the night you said just one more cheat meal, the morning you hit snooze instead of fighting for your life, the quiet surrender to comfort while your confidence slowly died in silence. Because this isn't just about fat, this is about discipline. This is about looking at yourself honestly and realizing you have been negotiating with weakness for far too long. Your body keeps scores, every lazy decision, every skipped workout, while your health rots in the background. Every time you choose comfort over growth, and now you feel it. Walking upstairs feels heavier, your energy crashes faster, your mind feels foggy. Your confidence disappears the moment you enter a room full of strong people. You laugh it off in public, but alone, you know the truth. You are not living at your full power, and nobody is coming to save you. Not motivation, not some perfect Monday, not some magical transformation video. Nobody. Because the hardest truth in life is this: your future body is being built by the decisions you make when nobody is watching. Not when you feel inspired, not when life feels easy, when it's cold, when you are tired, when you are stressed. That's when your real identity is revealed. See, losing weight is painful, waking up early is painful, training when you are exhausted is painful, saying no to cravings is painful. But you know what hurts even more? Feeling trapped inside a body you no longer respect. That pain follows you everywhere, to the mirror, to relationships. You know exactly what to do. Drink the water, take the walk, lift the weight, cook the meal, go again tomorrow. Simple, but simple does not mean easy. Because every day you are at war with a weaker version of yourself that wants comfort, shortcuts, and instant pleasure. One day you will wake up in a body built entirely from excuses. Listen carefully. The gym is not punishment, the diet is not suffering, the sweat is not the enemy. That is the process of rebuilding your self respect. Every rep says, I refuse to stay weak. Every healthy meal says, I'll still care about myself. Every early morning says, I am done being controlled by comfort. That's why disciplined people move differently. They are not special, they just stop listening to the voice they begged them to quit. You want confidence? Earn it. You want energy? Build it. You want respect? Become someone worthy of your own respect first. Because no amount of motivation will save a person addicted to excuses. You have to decide right now, not tomorrow, not next month. This could be the day your life changes forever. So stand up, drink the water, put on the shoes, go train, sweat, suffer, fight for yourself. Because years from now, you will either look back at this moment with pride or with regret. This is your wake up call. Your body is waiting, your future is watching, and every second you waste, your old life gets stronger. Kill that version starting today.